Hey everyone, here's a sneak peek into my studio.
The first thing you should notice about my studio is that it's pretty tiny, but it's home. It even has an adaptable ceiling to accommodate my easel and recording devices. Here's my paint cart. It's also where I mix my paint. Here you can see what I'm currently working on, except for the one I'm hiding because it's a surprise for someone and I'm not finished with it yet. I'll keep you updated when that one gets unwrapped. It's gonna be a doozy. Moving on to the signature offer area of the studio, you can see some of the portraits I've created. The wedding and children varieties are particularly popular. Moving on, you can see the storage for my paint and canvases, as well as my studio desk and additional storage for more painting supplies and frames. Bonus points if you notice the Easter eggs throughout the video. Of course, I had to show the sink and drying area for my equipment. It's super important to stay well organized and clean. Well, there you have it, a quick studio tour. Glad you joined me, but it's time for me to paint, so I'll just put on my overalls if I don't get my foot stuck in the hole in the knee.
All set to paint!
See you next time.